Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. For this video, I'll be giving a review on our stay at the Hotel Papa Whale in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. The reason why we chose this hotel is the room size at 21 square meters. It also has a king-size bed and of course its location, which is about a 9-minute walk from the train stations, which is the Formosa Boulevard Station and the Central Station. Wow, ang ganda ng room. Yan, malawak yung kanyang bed. It's a king-size bed. Yan. May ilaw to dapat para maliwanag. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda. Siyempre, may TV. And, yung kabilang side din ng bed, meron ding lights. O, ayan, ang liwanag na, oh. Ang ganda ng room. Sobrang ganda dito sa Papa Whale. And meron siya ditong work area. Ayan. Tapos ito siya, meron ito may chair. And syempre merong electric kettle. And merong complimentary na mga chips. Meron siyang sweet potato chips, may banana chips, and may pineapple chips. And may 2 complimentary na water. And meron siyang, ito, ganda ng nila, oh. Ang linis. Tapos meron sila ditong pati. Ang ganda. Tapos, ang view natin is medyo nakatint eh. Pero mukhang city view siya. Nakikita ko yung street sa baba. And meron siyang sofa. May sofa dito. Yan, may sofa, tapos may center table, and may mga hanger for clothes. Ito, meron siya dito. And, ayan o, laki ng bulb. Ang cute. Ayan, and then, mag-room tour tayo sa loob ng bathroom. Ang ganda-ganda, grabe. We super like it. Ang ganda ng Papa Whale. Meron siyang siyempre, towels and hair dryer. Ito, may hair dryer siya. Tapos, ito yung kanyang sink, lavatory. Very clean. And this is the shower area. May rain shower head. I like that. Meron na siyang complimentary body wash and shampoo. Then, yan, shower. And then, ayan. It has a bidet. Good news sa mga kailangan na may bidet. Ang room may bidet. Ayun. So, dito is not the same as with Japan na you can throw the toilet paper sa toilet. You have to throw it in the trash can. Ayan. Okay. So, that's our room tour. The hotel room costs about 3,500 pesos with taxes. We booked this through Agoda, and we booked this room a week before our travel. Booking this hotel months from your stay would cost way less and can only cost about 2,000 pesos. Wow! Super wow! Ikaw, Lab, ano masasabi mo?
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yeah, may pachinelas din sila. Wow. Of light. Yay! Let's go! Ayos ka ba? Hotel Papa Whale. Init tayo ng food. Malamig naman pala yung rice.
What is great about this hotel as well is the common space that they have at the basement, where you can eat your lunch like you are in the comfort of your home, and can also serve as a workspace. They have kitchen amenities here like a microwave oven, oven toaster, coffee machine, ice maker, hot and cold water dispenser, and even a sink where you can wash your dirty dishes and cutleries. And another thing that we can't believe that they have here in the basement are free snacks. Though, be mindful, just eat what you can consume while in this common space.
Coffee. May ice. And may toaster. Ah, may hot and cold water pala dito. Like, pwede ka na kumain dito. Pwede ka na maghugas. Ang ganda. Nice. Speaker. And coffee. Number 1 is 1 minute. Ang ganda-ganda. Pwede ka kumuha ng coffee. Ayan, ako pala nag-iisa dito. Wala pang katao-tao. Ito, magpa-coffee kayo pala dito. Hindi pwedeng dalhin sa room. Unless madali pa yung sarili yung mga cup. Ito, I think, is complementary. Itong mga, ano nito, bread. Bread. Ito mas na pag-breakfast siguro. Or baka, ngayon, kuya sila kumain dito sa baba. Yung kami sa baba kumain. Okay, done na. Nainit ba? Oh, nainit naman. Silang spoon and fork din dito. And may plato na din. Kung bumili kayo sa labas ng food, may take-out food kayo. Ayan. Tapos pwede nyo siyang hugasan dito. Ang ganda. So cute. Design naman. Nice. Ayan. Okay, balik tayo sa room natin. Ganda. Super ganda. May bathroom. May toilet din pala. Hindi kailangan niyo mag-CR. May toilet din dito. Yan. Ang ganda. Ang linis. Ang bango. Ayun. So, we decided to eat na lang doon sa basement. Kasi, mas comfortable eh. Kasi may table, may chair. So, di ba? Why not doon na lang? Wala pa naman din katao-tao. So, ayun. Bababa na lang kami sa basement to eat our breakfast. Breakfast tayo sa baba. Si Jibo doon, no? Si Jibo na doon. O, dyan tayo. Ayan. Wow! Water! kuha na rin tayo ng coffee. There. And then, let's put it dito yan. Tanda, nagkamali ako nung the other day. Then, to touchscreen lang siya. Sige, let's try macchiato naman. Siguro tikim lang tayo ng candy. Let's get started isa kami. Candies. Let's get some candies. And ito. 3 snacks daw eh. So let's get. Ito lang. Yan. All done na tayo with heating up. Wala pa rin tao. Ayan. Wala pa rin tao dito. Ako pa lang din ang tao. And let's get our coffee.
Now let's make a quick tour in this common space bathroom.
Wala tao. Ayan. So this one is the sink. And this one is bathroom area na siya. And this one is your toilet. Toilet. Yeah. Okay, let's go back na sa room.
We will definitely choose the Hotel Papa Whale again when we are back in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. We love the comfort of going back to a clean and spacious hotel with all these nice hotel amenities after a whole day of being out exploring. Thank you for watching and watch out for our next Kaohsiung vlogs. Bye!